So today I'll show you a simple design of a login page. Before going to the coding, let's check what the design will look like. So after the coding, I want to achieve a design something like this. There will be one image here, okay, one image here. So there will be one text box for your username. So this is for the username, okay. So one will be one image for the password. You can choose any image here. You can give any image here, or one a password field. So it will be a password field, automatically it will convert to star, and there will be one button. So this is my button. So after the coding, when we will run the program again, I'll show that exactly this design will achieve through the coding. So without wasting time, let's get started with the coding. Create one project here, okay. So the project name will be, you can give any name here, okay. New project, I'll start to new project. So go to select empty activity and go to next. You can give the name you okay. Login one, you can choose any name. So API level is 15. I'm not using any material design. If you want to use some material design, then you have to choose minimum API level should be minimum 22. So I am not using any material design here. So the API level 15 is okay. So the language is in Java, okay, and select finish. So for building, it will take a little bit of time, okay. As you can see, they're syncing now, okay. So for this means coding, we need some images, so we already downloaded from internet. So now what I'll do, I'll go to resource and go to layout, and see here we need to design, or I need to coding here to get that uh, design, okay. So select the design. As you can see here, uh, if you choose design and blueprint, then it will show both the design and blueprint. This is blueprint and this is design. If you choose only design, then it will show only the design part. So I will right now I will choose only the design part. Let me zoom a little bit. Yeah. So go to coding, that is text. I don't need the text view right now here. So, okay. Okay, I'll delete this one and go to design. Right now I have only a layout that is called constant layout. So what I can do, I can add image here. So go to wizard, okay, go to image view. But before adding the image, let me drag all the images which I downloaded from internet to my project. So how to do that? So just minimize this and go to the, just get the all the images which you downloaded from internet. Just copy all those and go to your project, go to app, go to source, main, okay, resource folder, and drawable. So paste it here, okay. So now what you can do, you can add an image view, okay, image view here, okay. Go to project, okay. So just select the main logo. So the size you need to minimize, yeah. Size I need to minimize, so I'll minimize the size. So go to the coding, okay, which you can give this 200, okay, 200 dp, okay. Then check, okay, okay now. Also, if you click here and go to attributes and check that, so this is actually, so you need to add left and right so that it's showing the middle of my design. So I'll do, I'll add maybe 141, okay, the left side, in the right side also I'll add 141, okay, 141. Let me check, okay, it's showing in the middle. Okay, after that what I'll do, I'll add one more layout here, okay. So what layout I'll use here, you can use any relative layout also, okay, in relative layout you can use. So just add relative layout, okay, match parent. So I need to add one parent and height, okay, okay. So ID, okay, well, one I'm giving. So now go to design, okay, go to design. So here you can get when we select, suppose when I select, suppose this, then obviously to attribute, go to attribute, you check, you will get that the ID here it is showing rel1. So that is the ID of the relative layout. Now what I want to do, I want to give margins to this relative layout. So add maybe 200, okay, dpi. The top I can add maybe 200, okay, little bit of 200 will be better, to 220, okay, 220 dpi. Left margin I can add maybe 20 dpi. Same to the right, so 20 dpi, okay, 20 dpi. So this is my, right now I have this relative layout and I have added these margins to this. So now what I'll do, I will add image or icon for username and password and some those edit text. So go to wizards and get the image view, okay, image view, choose from project, okay, maybe user. So you have to resize this, you can give height and width of this to this icon, okay. This width is 72 and height is 64. You can give any width and height. Now I'll add text, okay. So text view, plain text. So again we need to add, so we need to add one attribute to this edit text so that it comes to right side of my image view. So what I'll do, I will add to the right of this two light right of, so layout to right of, so right of image view, this again it will come to here. Again I can add some padding, again padding to padding top, again 22 maybe dp. Then I can add width, okay, width of my this edit text. Then I can add some styles, okay, styles, okay. Then go to text. Here I have one attribute that is edit text, edit text, the text, this I don't need this one because I'll use one more attribute that is called hint, that is like a placeholder. So add this one, hint, and enter me. So now I need one more image. So what I'll do, I'll go to wizards, then image view. So again I need to select what icon I want to give here. So just resize, okay. So by default it will come to the top left. So again you need to add those two attributes. So what I can directly write in the coding also. So to write, okay, write of id. So I need to give the id. No, here actually I need to add one attribute, that is below, because what I need to show this image view below of the user icon. So I need to give the id of the first image view. So this image view 4, so it will come to the this portion. Okay, then I will add, go to design, I'll add one password here. Okay, so by default it will go to the top left. So again I need to add, this one attribute, that is right. Okay, right to the right of image view 5, because image view 5 is my icon id of password. So image view 5. Okay, then obviously I need to add the below. So below of edit text tree, because I need to show this password field the below of this user, or whatever edit text you are using here. So now again I need to give the width. So okay, again I need to give some padding so that it come in a line. So go to padding. Directly you can write this coding to your directly you can write this coding in your text also. Okay, so padding top. Okay, padding top. Okay, maybe 30 dp. Okay, again you can also add some paddings here. So go to text, go to image view, go to padding top. Okay, maybe 10 dp. Now I can add button. So go to button and button here. Okay, so now you need to add two attributes here. First below, and you need to put the button in the center. So I will go to attributes, I'll find the attributes for below. Okay, so below, okay, layout below. Okay, text 4, it will come to the below of it text 4. Then you need to give center in parent. Okay, so now you need to add some text in this button. Okay, maybe login. Okay, then you can give some style. Okay, borderless or something like this. Okay, then you have to add hint here. I did not add the hint for password, so go to this one and hint. Okay, and password. So this way you can design a simple login form. Now you can run your app in a mobile. So I'll show you the mobile view of this. So after running the Pro app in my mobiles, I achieve something like this. Okay, so coding for this one I'll provide in my description. You can download the coding from there. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and also please press the bell icon so that any new video you can get the notification from YouTube. Okay, thank you for watching.